Hey everyone, welcome back to Palette Play Studios. Today we are painting something simple but rich in texture and warmth, realistic coffee beans using watercolors. This is a great practice for learning shadows, texture and natural shapes. Start by lightly sketching a few oval shapes. These are coffee beans. Give them a slight tilt, vary their sizes. Don't forget that classic central curved line down each bean. You can cluster them or scatter them. Let's keep it natural and random. Mix raw sienna and a touch of burnt umber for a light warm brown. Apply this as a first wash on each bean. Keep your brush light and leave a tiny white highlight on each side of each bean. This will serve as a light source later. Now take burnt umber and a bit of sepia for a deeper tone. Apply this on one side of each bean opposite to the highlight to give soft shadow and rounded form. Use a slightly drier brush to add texture lines on the bean surface. Then darken the central curved groove on each bean with mix of sepia and black using your fine brush. Let's anchor them to the page with shadows. Mix a tiny bit of blue, brown and lots of water for a soft neutral gray. Paint light elliptical shadows just under and slightly to the side of each bean. Keep them loose and soft edged. Deepen the darkest areas, the groove and the undersides using a mix of sepia and a hint of black. To give the darker shade to the bottom of the beans, mix red and blues, giving a purple shade and mixing it with your burnt sienna again to give rich brown texture of the coffee bean. You can also splatter a few tiny specks using toothbrush or tapping a brush to add a gritty texture just like spilled coffee grounds. Use a black marker or a sketch pen or your micron pens to give your highlights to the coffee beans. I have outlined each and every shape, and next I will be using my white pen to give more details to the coffee beans. To give a little background, as I suggested earlier, you can use your toothbrush or just tap both your brushes together to give specks of grounded coffee. I am here giving a yellow background just to make the coffee bean stand out. And that's it, cozy, textured and aromatic watercolor coffee beans. If you enjoyed this, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more calming bite-sized tutorials. Let me know in the comments, should we do a full coffee cup next or maybe a croissant beside it?